In this video, I'll show you how you can make a carton garland using a sewing machine. If you'd like to draw and want to get drawing tips, draw along videos and much more, feel free to hit the subscribe button. To create our garland, we need to create some figures first. You can choose to draw some figures in freehand or create some stencils. I choose swallows as a figure and some clouds. These stencils were cut out in thick cardboard using a hobby knife. I will use these stencils to draw around. You can use any kind of color you want for your garland. I will have one color for each swallow. For the swallow's stomach, I'll use a mottled white. Same thing for the clouds. After drawing around the stencils, I cut out the figures with a scissor.
Hvad er du for en? Er du en børnelokker?
Børnelokker? Nej. Jeg er ornitolog. Vi er sådan nogle mennesker, der interesserer os for de små fugle og deres liv. Og så sniger vi os ud i naturen. Og så prøver vi at iagttage og aflure fuglene deres hemmeligheder.
Decorating your figures with another color adds a nice touch of variety and interest to the garland. Before sewing them together, draw a line through your figures that you can use to sew after. And all there is left now is to sew the garland together. Make sure to sew a bit of thread first, so you have some thread to tie the swallows with on the wall. A distance of half a centimeter or 1 centimeter between each figure is perfect. And like in the beginning, make sure to keep the sewing machine running for a while so that you have some thread in the end. And there we have it, a colorful garland for your wall. Until next time folks, have fun drawing!